Jim Davis from Fluke Networks, and we're going to take a look at our IS60 Toolkit, which has these deadly scissors, a punch-down tool, and this trusty cable stripper. Now, these are silly things, but let's take a look at how they can be used. The cable stripper can be used to cut the cable, and then it has an adjustable wheel here, depending on whether you're using a smaller or a larger diameter cable. Sometimes those 6A cables can be pretty fat. We'll give this a twist. Oh, and did I forget to mention, I did forget to mention, that we can measure out how far, we can measure how much of the jacket we're stripping off so that we don't strip off too much. Oh, what else can we do? So, I had an interesting conversation at a trade show. We were looking at these scissors and trying to decide how to hold them. Turns out cabling installers are pretty opinionated about their scissors. No, you don't hold it this way. The question was whether you hold it with this finger or with this finger. Some pretty strong feelings that way. Now we're going to use this tail here to really get some good leverage. So if we had a 25 pair cable, we could get that snipped off. Now our punch-down tool has this convenient hook on it, and we can use the hook to disconnect the cable that we've punched down, either from our jack or from our 110 block, to get the cable out to re-terminate it properly. I am going to close this hook before I punch these down because, yes, there's a story about somebody who got the hook caught in their nose as they were punching it down. Make sure I have the blade on the outside. That will also prevent us from having to show our show our open problem again. There we go. So again, the IS60 with a punch-down tool, deadly scissors that actually, while we're at it, let's not forget to strip off the right amount of the jacket here. We could use these if we needed to strip off the jacket of the 24, 22 gauge cable. Just slide that in there. Yeah. I don't actually do this for real. So we're just gonna, it's so easy that even a tech support person can strip off the jacket of the cable. So we could strip off the jacket of the individual conductors if we needed it. This would probably be better with my safety glasses on. Well, there we go. And then we can short the cables out. Why we would do that? That's up to you. Again, Jim Davis with the IS60 Toolkit. Thanks for watching.